Hey, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Close your eyes, Michael. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Walking to Raphael's place. Good morning. I'm actually at one of my favorite places in Antigua right now. It's a place called Zula Hostel, and they have some of the best food that I've actually ever eaten. And you can look out and oversee the volcano, but the star here is the food. It's really, really good, and it's inexpensive, less than $10 for any meal. So that's if you have a drink with it. I'm going to have breakfast. Right now I'm heading up the street to a place called the Chocomuseum, and I am going to probably embarrass myself a lot by learning how to make chocolate from scratch. And when I say that, I mean right from the beans. They have a class that lasts about 2 hours. You make, obviously, chocolates. You can make some Mayan drinks. You're gonna be sampling some Mayan drinks. So this should be pretty funny. All right, let's go.
Know your names first of all. Vamos a ver.
Michael.
Muy bien?
Good.
Again? Good for you. Flavor beans. Tastes good. Muy bien. What else? Cacao pods. So when you open it, it has a lot of beans inside. Well, that is not your sugar in it.
This is me eating
Cocoa bean.
raw chocolate.
A raw cocoa bean. Yeah?
It's actually really good.
I want you to place it back if you don't want to swallow it. If you try to peel the bean like this, divide it into husks. The cocoa nips, we gotta grind it into powder. Have you ever had 100? Do you like it? Wow. Not for you?
Too bitter. I've been here for less than 5 minutes, and already I know more about chocolate than I ever thought there was to know about chocolate. So we just rubbed cocoa butter between our hands, and it actually smells like chocolate.
The fermentation process 900 years before Christ. At home, when you got like savory food, release more than chocolate, like that taste in your food.
So the Spanish used to grind their beans this way for about 300 years using that stone, and then they developed a way to do it using a machine. Dark chocolate.
Okay.
I'm doing dark chocolate.
Dark
It's
chocolate
good for me.
again?
You go wash your hands.
It's even good for your skin. I mean, you got this chocolate on your skin. Right there for a chocolate bar. You can pour the whole thing. You know what with this one? Yeah, Michael is mulling his own chocolate bar.
Really good for me.
Muy bien, muy bien, muy bien.
He said we can lick the bowl after. So good. Yum. So the chocolate we just put into the molds was pre-made. You either chose milk chocolate or 70% dark chocolate. Now we are going to go through the process of making the chocolate from scratch. And I probably have chocolate all over my face. You have to tap it to get the air bubbles out of it. That's the most fun part so far.
Topping on your palm and then over your chocolate.
Okay, I have no idea what I want to put in mine, but I think I'm going to go for coffee beans, and I'm going to put chili pepper on all of it. That's what I'm doing. I put a little bit too much chili powder in my chocolate bar. It's going to be good though. More, there we go. A little bit of sea salt. And I think that looks pretty good without overdoing it. The little girls behind me are asking for Skittles to put in their chocolate bar, but they don't have any here. Probably be good though.
Gummy bears y Oreo cookies. Yep.
Okay, here we go to the fridge, keeping it balanced. Where do we go? Where is the fridge? Ah, okay, gracias. I did this without dropping it. Amazing.
Great. Tons of chocolate right there.
Yeah.
Those chocolate brownies.
This is the best smelling refrigerator on the planet right now. Yes, I know I had chocolate all over my face when I was doing part of this video. A lady told me, wiped it off.
Make like a truffle, like a filled bonbon. Then we add the filling, and then we add the chocolate on the top. We freeze it again, and you got a bonbon. And vinegar. We create acetic acid when we ferment.
Now we're gonna roast the vinegar out of those beans.
You start with this. Drop your hands.
Bate, bate, chocolate, bate, chocolate, bate.
Let's go with you. Chocolate. Chocolate.
I
Chocolate.
just tasted one, it's a bit bitter. Just like cocoa with a shell on it.
Full bowl with the marbles down, we gotta move them just around like this. Why? Just for fun, you know? It's like that.
So we've husked our beans and now I get to add cardamom to mine. And I'm sorry, Hal, if I know how much you love cardamom. Just a little bit.
Ready? Get ready. 1, 2, go, go, go. I didn't say 3. 1, 2, 3. Bam, 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 bam. Let me see. Winner, sir. You too. What time is it? Tea time. Perfecto.
You have to crack these, then put the husk in one bowl, the bean in another bowl, and repeat. We're gonna make tea.
Cocoa tea out of it. See. This tea has 0.2% of caffeine and 0.4% of theobromine, the chocolate chemical. Salud, everyone.
Salud. Well, that's really good.
Sí. You gotta get it like this.
Salud.
Shake. Panica. Chupan. 1, 2, 3. Bam.
Oh, that had a bit of heat in it. Earlier, the ladies were sent to the restroom to wash their hands, and the men weren't, so I'm guessing it's because they're going to feed us chocolate.
Perfecto.
Just a little bit. Still pretty bitter.
1.5.
I'll do 1.5.
Something's going wrong. Vamos. Chocolate, chocolate. Vamos, Michael, vamos. Bate, chocolate. Shelly Sao, it's like Starbucks. But better. No, now you're gonna toast with me. You're gonna say salud.
Salud.
Go with eye contact. Salud. Cheers, everyone.
And that is the best latte you'll have all day. I made this. Well, I didn't really, but I just poured it into a bowl. That was quite an experience, and I got some chocolate out of it. That was a very fun class. If you want to do that, it's at the Chocomuseum in Antigua, and I'm going to leave a link down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway. And we'll see you in the next video. So I guess I'm putting
I
on
have so
apron.
many things down there with me, so you can pass me like backpacks or.
I had to do it myself. I had to do it myself. Is this chili powder?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Vente pa acá, amigo Michael. Give me a hand.
No.
It will be just a bit. No infections, you know? Easier to cut it. I squeeze it like. Close your eyes, Michael. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Nah, vamos.
No real Mayan blood in our tea today.
Anato seeds.